Good morning. We're doing a morning hike. Familiar places for you, all of you, everyone who's watching this vlog. Just now it's green. That's the difference. Go to the other side of the mountain just to take some drone footage, and then we'll go back to the central trail. I've been doing that many times together with Elliot and alone. I will put a link for that video. So the temple you remember from my videos, now there's a reconstruction of it, building something serious. Hello. Let me see. Грозная собака. That's from the thunder. The thunderbolt just hit the tree, and that's how it looks like. I arrived at the beach where usually no one tourists coming. I've seen here only some instructors walking around. Other people are just local people just chilling, and there are a lot of fishermen. And that's basically what everybody is doing here. I didn't expect there are so many people here. It's like, I know, mostly young people. Some people walking dogs here on this beach, and my main reason why I came here was to find the road to this place. But yeah, a lot of people. That's actually kind of interesting how I found it. There was a small trail going through the fields, and I wasn't sure I'm actually going the right way, but yeah. So yeah, nice evening actually, like kind of sunny. So we left at 5 o'clock in the morning and we came back around 11:20. This more than 6 hours we've been doing hiking in the mountains. The guys did really well. I'm kind of proud of them, especially they are not the people who's hiking regularly. We went up really slowly, enjoying the views, and that was the main reason we went there. We did a really long trail, about 11.5 kilometers, which is also a really good result. I didn't film this time that much. I just tried to film something what is different. Thank you very much for watching today again, and following me, subscribing. I'm really appreciate that. What else to add? See you tomorrow again. Bye.